Hello students, now as you see today I will start new exercise, that is exercise 12.2, question number 1. Now in question number 1 you will find um, some big numbers are there, some small numbers are there, and some big numbers are there. Now there are two forms of number would be is there, that is one number would be there with decimal number. See, so one decimal number is already given. After decimal so many zeros are given and one letters are given. Okay, one number is given, and in another format of numbers no decimal is given. So the numbers which is carrying a decimal and after decimal so many numbers are given, these are all very small numbers. Okay, numbers which is very less than 1, and these are the numbers which are very big numbers. And in both the cases you have to convert both the numbers into a standard form. Now what is the standard form? Now when you see the numbers are in the big form, isn't it? These are written in the much expanded form, isn't it? So to write it in a much shorter way, much much easier form, so that particular form is called a standard form. Okay, but the only rule of standard form is that when you're writing a standard form, so the number should be like this. Suppose 4.5, that is when you're putting a decimal on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the decimal, fine, there should be one number should be there, at least one number should be there, and only one number should be there. Okay, that is the only rule. And you have to convert this all zeros in the form of exponential of 10. Okay, and how you have to do this I will teach you. But remember, the only rule in the standard form is that the whatever the digit is there, no matter the zeros, we will not count the zeros, but the digits. See, 85 is a digit, 602 is a digit. Fine, so the digits should have one decimal, and on the left hand side of the decimal only one number should be there. So this is the only rule for standard form. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. Now the first one is what? Now the point is here, isn't it? Now you have to bring this point here. Okay, you have to bring this point here. Now what we have to do, we have to count this, the how many decimal places, how many places you have to jump, so that you can come to this particular place. So let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So it's 12th position, isn't it? So 12th position, that means you have to jump 12th position so that to get the standard form. Now how to write it down then? 8.5. Now the point has been removed from here to here. Now we'll write 8.5 into how many positions we have jumped, that is 12, and we'll write the zeros in the form of what? Exponential of 10. So 10 minus 12. Remember that when zeros when decimal is given, then you have to write the exponential form in minus form. Okay, so this is how you will write the answer. But in case of 3, there is no decimal is there. So now this time when no decimal is there, you consider that decimal is here. Okay, you have to consider that decimal is here. Now you have to come here, up till here you have to come. So you have to remove the decimal from here to here. Now again we have to count how many room, how many space, how many numbers, how many zeros or how many digits you have to cross and come to this particular place. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15th position you have to come. So at least the zero decimal was here and you have to come here. So you have to write it like this: 0.02 6.02 into how many position you came? how many position you jump? That is 15. Now this time you will not give minus. You will not write the exponential form in minus form, but you will write it in positive form. So remember when to write negative form, when it is given in the decimal form. Okay, when you're moving from left to right, and when you're moving from right to left, in this case you will not give a negative power. Okay, this is the only difference. Okay, so you can directly write the answer like this. I hope you have understood. If still you people are having any problem, let me share one more example with you. Okay, let me share one more example with you. That is question number 4. I hope it will again help you out. See, 0.12345678837. Okay, now again you see the number is already carrying a decimal sign. Okay, now again you have to remove this decimal from here to where? Up till here. Okay, because in standard form, on the left hand side only one digit should be there, only one digit. So we'll count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so that means 8.37 into 10 to the power, how many position we have jumped? That is 9. But this time we will again give power as minus, because the number was already carrying a negative decimal form. Okay, now let's give you another example. That is 5. 3 1 8 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now this number is not carrying any decimal sign, so we have to consider that decimal sign is here. Okay, now this decimal sign has to rotate here. So again we have to count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 3.186, and all the zeros would be written in the exponential form of 10. That is how many positions we have jumped? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 to the power 10. So this is the answer. I hope now you have understood. So where to put minus power and where to put positive powers. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. So that's it for today. Thank you and God bless you all.